The 19th issue of Niramalai presents the Golden Jubilee celebrations and releasing of commemorative coins of 50 rupees and 5 rupees denomination by Sri Anant Gite, Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Niramalai also highlights Republic Day celebrations, annual day celebrations of Arivalayam and WWA, Swanubhava, a 2-day cultural festival, distribution of sanitary napkin incinerators to schools and colleges, distribution of sewing machines, battery-operated sprayers and farm implements in association with Lions Club Tiruvarumbur. BHEL celebrated its Golden Jubilee on January 7th.
We must all be proud that in the developing world, other than China, it is India which has got this capability and nobody else. With today 20,000 megawatt per annum capacity for power plant equipment manufacturing, BHEL's mammoth size of operations, 17 manufacturing divisions, 2 repair units, 4 regional offices, 8 service centers, 8 overseas offices, 6 joint ventures, 15 regional marketing centers, and project execution sites of 150 or more at any one point of time. This is the size of BHEL today. The total installed capacity base of BHEL supplied equipment is at 138 gigawatts in India, speaks volumes about the contribution made by the company. In fact, in the power generation capacity, we contribute to roughly 57%. But significantly, this produces electricity worth almost 70%.
On the occasion, commemorative coins of 50 rupees and 5 rupees denomination issued by Government of India were released at a glittering ceremony by Sri Anant Gite, Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. A coffee table book capturing the journey of the Maharatna's 50 years of engineering excellence was also released on the occasion by Mr. G.M. Siddheshwara, Honorable Union Minister of State for Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises.
BHEL was founded in the year 1964 as a public sector enterprise when private capital was not available in India. BHEL was created with the intention of make our country self-reliant in the manufacture of heavy electrical equipment and to generate employment. BHEL has introduced many environment-friendly and fuel-efficient technologies. While the company continues to develop new technologies, I observe its constant focus on social activities. BHEL is one of the few capital goods manufacturing companies in the country with a large manufacturing base. Our government targeting a capacity addition of more than 1 lakh megawatt in the coming year, including the renewable energy. I hope BHEL will target to supply equipment required for more than 50% of the target power production.
To mark the occasion, a grand cultural program by employees and campus school children from various units was also organized. The Golden Jubilee was also celebrated at our unit on January 7th along with BHEL Day. Executive Director Mr. A.V. Krishnan hoisted the BHEL flag at the factory main gate. Our ED administered the BHEL Day pledge to employees in English, Mr. S. Sundararajan, GM Engineering in Tamil, and Mr. V. Vasudevan, GM P&D, CPG and Modernization in Hindi. 25 employees of our unit were donated eyes and other organs of their family members during 2014 were honoured on the occasion. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of various competitions held earlier as part of BHEL Day celebrations. Addressing the employees, he said that the foremost responsibility of every employee lies in meeting the ever-increasing expectations of customers in terms of quality, cost and delivery.
It's a great honor that in the 50th year of the company BHEL Tirchi, we are celebrating the BHEL Day. It is something for a company to grow over 50 years and achieve this status. இந்த 50 ஆண்டுகளில் நாம் நிறைய challenges-ஐ பார்த்திருக்கிறோம். Different type of challenges. If you take 2009 to 2012, it was a challenge and the growth-க்காக fight பண்ண வேண்டிய challenge. Order book was full. நம்ம பில்டிங் 1ல 100 ட்ரம் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் சம்திங் டார்கெட் விச் நோபடி வுட் ஹவ் அச்சீவ்ட். கடந்த 2 ஆண்டுகளில் வேற மாதிரி சேலஞ்ச், ஆர்டர் புக், என்விரான்மெண்டல் இஷ்யூஸ், லேண்ட் இஷ்யூஸ், ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் நாட் டேக்கிங் ஆஃப். பட் ஸ்டில் we maintained our best and used that opportunity to bring in a lot of process improvements, system improvements, quality improvements, bring down our cost by 10 to 50% and become competitive in the market, and at the same time improved lot of areas by which we are able to satisfy our customers. P for productivity, that is the key today, improving our productivity. Q for quality, R for reduction of wastage, rework, etc. S for safety and T for teamwork. இதுதான் நம்ம 5 fingers. இதை நம்ம தொடர்ந்து if we keep continuing, I am sure we will be able to face any challenge the world is going to impose on us. CFBC boiler or German collaboration design, it touched 250 megawatt thanks to our employees, because நம்ம BHEL ஆட்கள் தான் அதை என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதை we try to find a solution and we have reached to that level. That was a great achievement. இந்த ஆண்டு நம்ம இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1000 மெகாவாட் டிசைன் NTPC-யோட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இது ஒன்று வந்ததுன்னா அடுத்த 2 ஆண்டில் ஒரு 1000 மெகாவாட் பாய்லர் பண்ணுவோம். தட் வில் பி a highest peak for the Indian power sector scenario. And we have committed to our customer that we will deliver on time, quality supplies at the best price. So let us follow our PQRST formula. Let us work towards it. Let us take this organization to larger heights and let us rededicate ourselves in this Golden Jubilee year that BHEL will grow at faster rate in the coming 50 years.
A grand cultural program by various cultural associations of our unit was organized at our MD Hall in the evening. BHEL Tiruchirappalli joined the nation in celebrating the 66th Republic Day at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium on January 26th. Mr. A.V. Krishnan, Executive Director, unfurled the national flag amidst a large gathering of employees, their family members and school children. At an impressive march past carried out by our security, fire service, home guard, HRDC, NCC and contingents from our campus schools, Mr. Krishnan took the salute. Delivering the Republic Day address, Executive Director said that this was a special year for BHEL historically as it celebrated its Golden Jubilee.
Our own BHEL has completed 50 golden years of incorporation. 13th November 2014. The last 2 years was a time for stock taking and revitalization of our organization. During this time, we were able to improve our processes, condense our delivery schedule and reduce costs, and in the process we have become more prepared to face the competitive market. Absorption of the supercritical technology has been our greatest accomplishment in the last 4 to 5 years. To address the issue of uncertainty in coal availability, we have developed a fuel-flexible supercritical boiler design which could fire both extremes of 100% domestic coal to 100% imported coal.
Mr. Krishnan presented awards and certificates to employees for their outstanding contributions in various fields. As a part of the celebrations, Mrs. Rajam Krishnan, patron Arivalayam, unfurled the tricolour flag at Arivalayam. Our campus school children delighted the audience on the momentous occasion by performing the traditional and modern arts depicting the culture, patriotism, secularism and national integration.
என்னை கொஞ்ச 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 வா மழையே
பச்சரிசி கொஞ்சம் கூட சேர்ந்த செல்வம் ஓம் ததீம் ததீம் பதங்கள் பாட ஜகம் நடுங்க என் பதங்களாட
Arivalayam, the special school and vocational training center run by our unit in the Kailasapuram township for the benefit of children with special needs, celebrated its 38th annual day on February 7th. At a function organized at our MD auditorium, our unit's former executive director and founder patron of Arivalayam, Mr. V.R. Deenadayalu, was the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Deenadayalu said that he was amazed to see the growth of Arivalayam. Presiding over the function, our ED Mr. A.V. Krishnan commended the dedicated and selfless service of teachers and staff of Arivalayam. Mr. S. Sundararajan, President Arivalayam and General Manager Engineering also spoke. Mrs. Yamuna Deenadayalu and Mrs. Rajam Krishnan, patron Arivalayam, distributed prizes to the students of the school who had emerged victorious in the district-level sports meet conducted at Tiruchirappalli recently. Mrs. B. Shakti, Principal Arivalayam, presented the annual report on the occasion. A variety entertainment program by Arivalayam students was one of the highlights of the evening.
சில்லாடா தாரியோ அந்துனி மண்ட மேல ஒரைய எத்தி ஓப்பனே கெட்டி கொய்து கூட்டி வாயோ கதிரு 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 கொண்டு வாயோ
BHEL Tiruchirappalli has distributed 150 sewing machines, 150 battery-operated sprayers, farm implements and playing equipment for school children at a cost of 15 lakh rupees under its CSR program through Lions Club Thiruverumbur. At a function held at BHEL Tiruchirappalli on February 28th, Executive Director Mr. A.V. Krishnan, senior officials from BHEL and Lions Club distributed the equipment directly to the beneficiaries. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. A.V. Krishnan, Executive Director BHEL Tiruchirappalli said, BHEL Tiruchirappalli is giving foremost thrust in imparting education, providing basic amenities, healthcare and imparting technical skills for making them employable as part of its corporate social responsibility scheme.
ஒரு நிர்வாகம் வளரணும் அப்படி என்றால் it must reach the top, the excellence. It should grow in business. அங்கே இருக்கும் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ் மோட்டிவேட்டடாக இருக்கணும். அவங்களோட கஸ்டமர்ஸ் they should be happy. அவங்கள சுற்றி இருக்கும் சொசைட்டி must feel that they are elated to be around BHEL. இப்போ தான் BHEL ஓட benefits should go to them. இது BHEL ஓட மந்திரம் right from the last 50 years. Benefit ஒரு சொசைட்டிக்கு போகணும் அப்படின்னா there are two things. One is the beneficiary who needs it, the real needy person should need it. And second is the vehicle I am using to transport. அதில் I very very happy that a vehicle like Lions Club has come forward.
BHEL Women's Welfare Association WWA of our Kailasapuram township celebrated its 42nd annual day at our MD Hall on February 7th. Our Executive Director, Mr. A.V. Krishnan, commended the contributions of WWA in various welfare and charity activities in and around our township.
BHEL has always been an employee organization. The welfare measures at BHEL, the townships created at the major units of BHEL, and the infrastructures like schools, Women's Welfare Center, the Kailasapuram Club, the type of community center, all these things, the medical hospitals, this is second to none. And this has made the quality of life so beautiful for us that we are in a very safe place. We have always maintained our tradition. We are trying to give the best of education and training and knowledge building to the younger tots. And by the time they come out of their schools, they get prepared to enter into the competitive field of engineering or medical or any other equivalent field. And that turns them into good engineers, doctors, lawyers.
Mr. P. Krishnamurthy, Principal and Correspondent, BHEL Matriculation Higher Secondary School, was the guest of honour. Mrs. Revati Srinivasan, President WWA, handed over a cheque for 25,000 rupees to Mrs. Rajam Krishnan, patron Arivalayam, as donation towards Arivalayam. Tiny Tots from Bala Vihar, a preschool run by WWA, gave a colourful variety entertainment program. As part of its corporate social responsibility program, BHEL Tiruchirappalli, in association with the Bharathidasan University, distributed sanitary napkin incinerators to 60 schools and colleges in central Tiruchi on February 26th. Dr. V.M. Muthukumar, Chairperson, Women Involved in Sanitation and Hygiene, WISH, a program of Bharathidasan University, is implementing the project. Presiding over the function, Mr. A.V. Krishnan, Executive Director, said that this particular CSR initiative taken by BHEL was aimed at prioritizing women's health and is a perfect example of the industry and academia joint initiative for a social cause.
I must congratulate WISH of Bharathidasan University, where they are now taken this lead, and இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா all not only Tiruchi but Karur, Perambalur, Ariyalur, இங்க இருக்கிற school and colleges இதில் இருக்கிற beneficiaries is coming to more than 40,000. இந்த ஒரு ஸ்கீமில் மாத்திரம் 40,000 பேருக்கு பெனிஃபிட் ஆகிற மாதிரி they have brought out the scheme, and we at BHEL pledge to serve the society. It is not only that we do business, meet our customer requirements, அது எங்களோட primary bread and butter, but at the same time we have to extend to the society. Society is very important for us. அதனால தான் இந்த society improve ஆச்சுன்னா தான் the country will grow. அந்த ஒரு கான்செப்ட்னால இந்த CSR we are taking it seriously and trying to do good things which are helpful for the society.
Swanubhava, a two-day cultural festival in celebration of various Indian art forms, was inaugurated by Mr. A.V. Krishnan, Executive Director, BHEL Tiruchirappalli, at the MD Auditorium on BHEL campus on February 20th. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Krishnan said that the event would help motivate school students to learn and make art forms a part of their daily routine.
Music is something which becomes part and parcel of your discipline, attitude as you grow up. So sir சொன்ன மாதிரி catch them young. இந்த வயசுல உங்களுக்கு அந்த மியூசிக்கோட knowledge, அதில் ஒரு passion வந்ததுன்னா it will help you to become a better human being. This program is going to really be a landmark in the history of BHEL, especially for the children of BHEL.
The event is being organized by Saraswati Vidyalayam, the School for Classical Music and Dance in BHEL's Kailasapuram Township, with financial support from BHEL under its CSR program.
நெடுபாதையில மாமரத்து சாலையில் தெரு போய் பார்க்க போறண்டி, திருச்சியில தெரு போய் பார்க்க போறண்டி. அற்புத தெய்வமே ஆணை முகாமுன்றன் பொற்கழல் பணிந்தே பொன்மலர் தூவினே.